So right now I'm just trying to get into the Club Penguin account. I actually can make this video, but I can't get into it. All my passwords are hidden in that document. You probably were like, whoa, slow down, sis. Don't click on that link. Like, you'll spill all your personal information. All the people who watch my channel are my family. They already know the information. It doesn't matter. That's like what's so funny to me. So, yeah, that's the tea, sis. Okay, I'm just gonna try logging in. I'll see you when. Yeah. Sad day, sis. Sad day. I can't log into my Club Penguin account. I'll just make a new one. Yellow. I'm gonna be quirky and relatable. Actually, honestly, wait a second. Am I like still logged in? Let me figure this out. So now I'm gonna find some friends. Well, that says mine up. Please, someone be my BFF. And why this sound is off is because I can't stand that. Let's play beans. Yes, please. How do you play? So you move too heavy, watch out. Okay. This is really easy. Is this supposed to be hard? The beanbags? Honestly, I give up. Oh no. Yay, I've learned. I'm going upstairs because No, I don't want to play this stupid game. I want to go upstairs. How do you go upstairs? Whatever. Not even gonna try. I'm gonna go this way. And I'm gonna go to the map. Let's see if there are people inside the mine. Nobody swimming. Well, there's that person. I don't know. What is happening to this guy? This is not where I want it to be. So I'm going to the dojo. The dojo's up there. I think I'm gonna go to Ski Village, then the dojo. Quirky, relatable. No, I want to do this one. Yes. Come on, someone play with me. I'm. Play. Play with me. hate Kitty Kata. Oh, shoot. Honestly, I'm probably the worst person at this game. But I'm still gonna send her a friend request after. Cause, like, that's what I do at this Barbie channel. Because that is not correct, sis. My mom's probably like, what is she doing? Yeah, probably she is. She's like, what has this child done? Join sled race. Yeah, I'm playing with 4 people and I can't even play by myself. Sound like really desperate. I am. If you know anyone, I just want to be friends. Literally, my battery's dead. No, So I probably should plug in my computer. So I don't know why it's like a natural reaction. There it is. I'm going down. I want to go down. Okay. Now we're gonna go to the dojo because it's quirky and relatable. I think the whole other part is I'm gonna play Roblox. And like, yeah. That's all I do, sis. Okay, thanks, sis. Oh, I thought like everybody left. Yes, sis, come play with me. I'm playing against an orange belt. Fire. They're gonna do water now. So now they're probably gonna do fire. So I did water. Haha, there's no really trick to this. Honestly, look. Uh-oh, I hate this one's not the bad. All new fire. Because fire always wins. I'm gonna do snow, because why not? And snow is like the only one I have. I'll do the highest snow I have. Now water. Did I win? Is that me? Isn't Wipeout like the lowest one you can get? Yay! Honestly, this is kind of boring. I remember being woohoo! This is the funnest game ever. But now it's kind of boring. Oh, I should play with him because he seems kind of bored. Yes, sis. Or he's just gonna abandon me like that. I'm gonna throw a snowball at this guy's head. Okay, or not. So first, I shouldn't start with this. Because I have water, I won. Because water always wins. Duh. And I'm always winning. So I kind of suck at this game. So, whatever. Yep, he'll win because he has water. I'll do this one. That's me, sis. So I don't feel like I really gotta explore everything, so I'm just gonna go really fast. Here are the igloos. Here's the dock. Let's go tubing for. You're probably not gonna sit through this whole video because I'm kind of boring. Okay, not just kinda, really boring. So I'd like to thank you. Once I'm done with this video, haha. Oh no, I'm getting dumped. How do you play this? Oh, you jump over it like a volleyball. Honestly, I don't know how to play and I kind of just lost. I earned 3 coins. So I would like to thank Thank you for coming to my YouTube channel. I just get so embarrassed to vlog in public. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. And I'd like to thank you and stay tuned for my next video. That will be like a Roblox if I can get in. I'll probably figure some way around it. Thank you guys so much. Bye-bye.